Um, um, sorry about sorry about, wait, sorry about, I don't know what I'm sorry about. I'm just sorry about, nothing's wrong. I, like, I, um, I, 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 huh? I, well, that's close. I, I, I like, I like, I like, I like to, hey, what, here, I'm, I like to, 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 I can't stop. Yeah, people say I could, me and my twin can actually burp my head off, but people think I could burp and make my head disappear. OMG, I hate when they say that. Was it true that I could have made my head disappear? Am I a ghost now? Oh no. Did I make my head disappear? I'm so worried. Hopefully not, because I don't believe what they say, because was it true? Do I have double heads? People say I could have. People say I become a pirate when I burp, or something like a pirate. Bye. Comment down below. Just acting, cause see, I don't really burp.